So I'll be going on with a brief explanation of all this topic. First here, before starting fundamental steps, explaining them, we'll just see what are these steps. It's nothing but series of systematic steps which transform data image into a meaningful information. So here it is categorized into two groups, that is output images and output attributes. In the sense, it will generate only the output. In the sense, the image, it will generate the image. Another, it will generate the attributes of the image. In the sense, in the image, so many attributes like different objects, man, house, water, any toy, everything. So here, in first thing is image acquisition. Nothing but first how you capture the image and store it in the digital format. So here, the process. Just read out this. I'll just say image acquisition is nothing but capturing the image and converting to digital image. Often used for scaling and other things. So then it is sent for other processing. Image enhancement, nothing but improving the visual appearance of an image to make it more suitable for specific applications. So here enhancements are problem oriented. So here image enhancement don't directly go to your normal social media image enhancement. Here it comes to medical fields also, mostly X-ray, gamma ray, all those things, CT, CM scan. That is that enhancement. And they also say techniques used for enhancing the image is different for proper what is it towards specific use. So X-ray image enhancement cannot be used in your social media image enhancement like that. So methods are nothing but contrast adjustment, histogram, filtering, everything. Image restoration. So whenever you click pictures from far distance or something due to noises or other blurs, it is very degraded. Recover those degraded images, nothing but image restoration. How it is restored mathematical models for and object improvement. Color image processing, nothing but just have to talk about the awareness first of this. Like it is in our day-to-day life in modern technology. Concept nothing but just understanding and studying the color models for color extraction. Wavelength nothing but representing the image at various resolutions for essence for data computing the sense. Your YouTube example, different quality, so different quality uses different data, right? So that is the compression of data from higher to low. Even though the video is at higher quality uploaded, but you can see at small quality like that it is. Then here they just told the relation between the Fourier transformation and this. You can just see here image compression nothing but reducing the size of the data for proper storage and everything. Crucial for storage and transmission. See JPEG and PNG don't allow you to share some file more than some specific. The term morphological process is nothing but how you see the outside appearance of an object is nothing but morphology. So it focuses on extracting image, useful shape and representation of image. In the sense, in an image there are same objects but in different. So it's useful for understanding. See, dilation, erosion, open and close, which is analyzing the structure of the image within an image. Sorry, structure of object within an image. Segmentation, nothing but you divide the image into partitions. Nothing but constituent parts or objects, which is object identification and classification. Feature extraction, nothing but here you process and identify and describing the significant attributes. Nothing but you just have to describe the image properly. Feature extraction, whatever is there in this image, who is doing what. So in just took an example picture of someone chasing a police chasing a thief. You just see read the picture and give that a policeman is chasing a robber or something like that. Feature extraction involves like feature detection and feature description, nothing but finding the features and quantifying the attributes. Image pattern classification, nothing but it assigns labels to the object based on features, facilitating automated recognition and analysis. In the sense, when you capture a person, it will just automatically focus on the face. Sometimes in night, if you take it will say night mode. If you take skies, it says clouds and other things. If you take pictures of document, it says document. Knowledge-based interaction is nothing but, if you see this picture, all the above fields are interacting with the knowledge base, which is nothing but it is used for processing, helps carry out all the steps. See, if contains information relevant to image processing tasks, guiding the operations of processing modules, enhancing and affecting overall effectiveness of the system. So complex is nothing but interaction between the knowledge base and processing modules can vary in complexity depending on the specific application and requirements. Conclusion 1. It is a structured approach for transferring raw image data into useful information. Each step is very crucial and important and has an objective. So whether it's for visual information or automated classification. Key points here, if you just read these, I have highlighted the points too, or take the screenshot. It will help for you to like elaborate all the points. Potential questions are here, either for 5 marks or 10 marks. That's it.